Okay, so we're gonna review the AC adapter that I buy anyway, and it does not work anyway. So if you're like finding the charger for your laptop or any kind of thing, and the thing about this, it does not work anyway. So this is the one. So it's on the description anyway, so you can check this one. So there's so many like laptop AC adapter anyway, and it takes like 2 weeks to get this charger because I lost my charger. I don't know what's the type of charger that I need to use anyway. It's so messed up, and you should buy the charger model anyway. Don't buy this thing. And yeah, so that's it. So this looks like anyway. I will not recommend you should buy this thing anyway at the first place. And like I'm not so very knowledgeable about the charger amp that you're gonna use. If you're using this kind of thing and use this one, it will not charge your laptop anyway, because it's on the documentation how many charge that you need. And yeah, so that's the point. It's so very useless to buy this if you're not have the same watts needed on the laptop charging. It does not work anyway, but I got the pin anyway, so I can search what type of pin I need. And yeah, so it's on the description anyway. So if you're finding charger, AC adapter, any kind of laptop version, this is the shittiest way. You should buy the exact same charger. That's my personal opinion. Don't buy this thing. It's a waste of time anyway.